A bathroom is generally considered a damp location because of the moisture and humidity from showers, baths, and sinks. When selecting bathroom light fixtures, it is important to look for those rated for damp locations. This rating ensures that the fixtures are designed to withstand moisture and prevent electrical hazards. Some brands offering suitable bathroom light fixtures include Kichler, Progress Lighting, Hunter Fan Company, Quoizl, and Face. Examples of catalog numbers from these brands are as follows: for Kichler 403019, as for Progress Lighting 4000-20, for Hunter Fan Company 51060, for Quoizl TF5617, and for Face R2654/2RB. When selecting lighting for a damp location, consider the ingress protection or IP rating. The IP rating indicates the level of protection that the fixture provides against solid objects and liquids. For bathroom lighting, a minimum I44 rating is recommended. This means that the fixture is protected against solid objects larger than 1 mm and water splashing from any direction. In addition to the IP rating, also consider the materials used in the construction of the fixture. Materials such as stainless steel, aluminum, and glass are more resistant to corrosion and moisture damage than other materials. Ensure that the fixture is properly grounded to prevent electrical shock. Use a ground fault circuit, interrupter, or GFCI protected circuit for bathroom lighting. This type of circuit breaker will trip and shut off the power if it detects a ground fault, which can help to prevent electrical shock. When installing bathroom lighting, follow all local electrical codes and regulations. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to install the lighting for you. Also consider the type of light source used in the fixture. LED bulbs are a good choice for bathroom lighting because they are energy efficient, long-lasting, and produce very little heat. Halogen bulbs are another option, but they produce more heat and use more energy than LED bulbs. Incandescent bulbs are the least energy efficient option and should be avoided. When choosing a bathroom light fixture, consider the style of your bathroom. There are many different styles of bathroom light fixtures available, so you should be able to find one that matches your decor. Also consider the size of your bathroom when choosing a light fixture. A small bathroom will not need as much lighting as a large bathroom. Consider the color temperature of the light. Color temperature is measured in Kelvin. A lower Kelvin temperature, such as 2700 Kelvin, will produce a warm, yellowish light. A higher Kelvin temperature, such as 5000 Kelvin, will produce a cool, bluish light. For bathroom lighting, a color temperature of around 3000 Kelvin is generally recommended. Consider the brightness of the light. Brightness is measured in lumens. A higher lumen output will produce a brighter light. For bathroom lighting, a lumen output of around 800 lumens is generally recommended. Layered lighting is key to a well-lit bathroom. Firstly, ambient lighting provides overall illumination for the entire space. Secondly, task lighting focuses light on specific areas, such as the vanity or shower. Thirdly, accent lighting highlights architectural features or decorative elements. For ambient lighting, consider using recessed lighting, a ceiling-mounted fixture, or a chandelier. For task lighting, consider using vanity lights, sconces, or pendant lights. For accent lighting, consider using spotlights, track lighting, or LED strip lights. When planning your bathroom lighting, consider the placement of the fixtures. Vanity lights should be placed on either side of the mirror at eye level. This will provide even illumination for your face. Recessed lighting should be placed around the perimeter of the room to provide general illumination. Accent lighting should be placed to highlight specific features, such as a piece of artwork or a decorative tile. When installing bathroom lighting, be sure to follow all safety precautions. Turn off the power to the circuit before working on any electrical wiring. Wear rubber gloves and eye protection. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to install the lighting for you. Regularly inspect your bathroom light fixtures for any signs of damage. If you see any cracks, chips, or other damage, replace the fixture immediately. Keep your bathroom light fixtures clean and free of dust and debris. This will help to ensure that they continue to function properly and provide adequate illumination. Use a mild soap and water solution to clean the fixtures. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the finish. In summary, when selecting bathroom light fixtures, prioritize damp location ratings, appropriate IP ratings, corrosion-resistant materials, and proper grounding. Choose energy-efficient LED bulbs, consider the style and size of your bathroom, and layer your lighting for optimal illumination. Always follow safety precautions and consult a qualified electrician if needed. Remember to choose the correct type of fixture for the bathroom. Vapor-proof fixtures are designed to withstand moisture and condensation. These fixtures typically have a sealed lens or gasket to prevent water from entering the electrical components. The National Electrical Code or NEC provides guidelines for electrical installations in damp and wet locations. NEC Section 410.10 covers the requirements for luminaires in damp, wet, and hazardous locations. It is important to consult the NEC and local codes to ensure that your bathroom lighting installation complies with all applicable regulations. The NEC defines a damp location as an area that is subject to moderate degrees of moisture. Examples of damp locations include bathrooms, covered porches, and basements. The NEC defines a wet location as an area that is subject to saturation with water or other liquids. Examples of wet locations include outdoor areas, showers, and tubs. When selecting bathroom light fixtures, it is important to choose fixtures that are rated for the appropriate location. Damp location rated fixtures are suitable for bathrooms, while wet location rated fixtures are required for showers and tubs. In addition to the location rating, also consider the type of wiring you use for the bathroom lighting installation. The NEC requires that all wiring in damp and wet locations be listed for use in those locations. This means that the wiring must be resistant to moisture and corrosion. Common types of wiring used in damp and wet locations include Type UF and Type DHWN. When installing bathroom lighting, it is important to properly seal all electrical connections to prevent moisture from entering the wiring. Use waterproof connectors and sealants to protect the connections. Also, be sure to properly ground all metal parts of the lighting fixtures to prevent electrical shock. A ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI is a device that protects against electrical shock by detecting ground faults. The NEC requires that all receptacles in bathrooms be GFCI protected. It is also recommended to use GFCI protection for all lighting circuits in bathrooms. When selecting a GFCI receptacle, choose one that is rated for use in damp locations. Also, be sure to test the GFCI receptacle regularly to ensure that it is functioning properly. To test a GFCI receptacle, press the test button on the receptacle. This should trip the receptacle and shut off the power to the circuit. If the receptacle does not trip, it is not functioning properly and should be replaced. When replacing a bathroom light fixture, be sure to turn off the power to the circuit before starting work. Disconnect the old fixture and carefully remove it from the wall or ceiling. Connect the new fixture to the wiring, following the manufacturer's instructions. Be sure to properly ground the new fixture. Install a bulb and test the fixture to ensure that it is working properly. When selecting a bathroom light fixture, consider the energy efficiency of the fixture. LED fixtures are the most energy efficient option. They use significantly less energy than incandescent or halogen fixtures, and they last much longer. LED fixtures are also available in a variety of colors and styles. When choosing an LED fixture, look for one that is Energy Star certified. Energy Star certified fixtures meet strict energy efficiency guidelines and are guaranteed to save you money on your energy bills. In addition to energy efficiency, also consider the light output of the fixture. Light output is measured in lumens. A higher lumen output means a brighter light. For bathroom lighting, a lumen output of around 800 lumens is generally recommended. When choosing a bathroom light fixture, also consider the color temperature of the light. Color temperature is measured in Kelvin. A lower Kelvin temperature produces a warm, yellowish light, while a higher Kelvin temperature produces a cool, bluish light. For bathroom lighting, A color temperature of around 2700 to 3000 Kelvin is generally recommended. This will provide a warm, inviting light that is flattering to skin tones. When selecting a bathroom light fixture, also consider the style of the fixture. There are many different styles of bathroom light fixtures available, so you should be able to find one that matches your decor. Some popular styles of bathroom light fixtures include vanity lights, sconces, pendant lights, and recessed lighting. Vanity lights are typically mounted above the bathroom mirror. They provide direct light for grooming and makeup application. Sconces are typically mounted on the wall on either side of the mirror. They provide indirect light that is flattering to the face. Pendant lights are typically hung from the ceiling. They can provide both direct and indirect light. Recessed lighting is typically installed in the ceiling. It provides general illumination for the entire bathroom. When choosing a bathroom light fixture, also consider the size of the fixture. The size of the fixture should be proportional to the size of the bathroom. A small bathroom will not need as much lighting as a large bathroom. When installing bathroom lighting, be sure to follow all local electrical codes and regulations. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to install the lighting for you. Remember that the goal is to provide proper illumination while ensuring safety in a damp environment. Proper planning and selection of appropriate fixtures are critical for a successful and safe bathroom lighting installation. Finally, remember to regularly clean your bathroom light fixtures to remove dust and debris. This will help to ensure that the fixtures continue to function properly and provide adequate illumination. By following these tips, you can select and install bathroom lighting that is both safe and stylish.